In the 1970s, scientists discovered something terrifying at our galaxy's center. But to understand what they found, we need to go back. 9 billion years ago, our galaxy's heart was torn apart by a collision so violent, it rewrote the fate of the Milky Way. Two supermassive black holes, each millions of times heavier than our sun, smashed together in a cosmic showdown. Only one survived. That survivor is Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole still lurking at the center of our galaxy, spinning faster than anything we can imagine. This isn't just our galaxy's dark heart. It's the architect of everything we call home, still shaping the stars, planets, and maybe even life itself. Welcome to the Space Vault. This is the first chapter in our Black Hole Chronicles, where we dive into the mysteries that define the universe. By the end of this series, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. But before we unravel the secrets this supermassive black hole is hiding today, let's rewind to a time when its very existence was just a wild theory, a cosmic rumor whispered among astronomers. In the 1970s, scientists noticed something strange at the heart of our galaxy. Powerful radio waves, unpredictable flares, and the bizarre orbits of stars hinted at an invisible titan lurking in the shadows. The evidence didn't add up, unless there was something unimaginably massive pulling the strings from the darkness. Who, or what, could be powerful enough to fling stars around at thousands of kilometers per second? As the clues piled up, the hunt for the Milky Way's supermassive black hole became one of science's greatest detective stories. What astronomers found would change our understanding of the universe forever. This is the saga of how we uncovered the monster at the center of it all. And how, just this year, the Event Horizon Telescope finally revealed its true face. For decades, the center of the Milky Way was a place of rumor and shadow. Astronomers could sense something powerful, but no one could see it. Quick pause if you're loving this deep dive into Sagittarius A star. Hit that subscribe button. We're building the ultimate Black Hole Chronicles series, and you don't want to miss what comes next. All right, back to the mystery. The real investigation began in the early 1970s, when radio telescopes picked up a mysterious, compact source of radio waves right at the heart of our galaxy. They called it Sagittarius A star. But what was it? A cluster of stars? A cloud of gas? Or something far stranger? Through the 1980s and 1990s, two rival teams, one led by Reinhard Genzel in Germany, the other by Andrea Ghez in California, launched a relentless campaign to spy on the galactic center. Using cutting-edge infrared telescopes, they tracked the orbits of dozens of stars, each one whipping around an invisible point at breakneck speeds. The breakthrough came with a star named S2. Every 16 years, S2 swings in a wild elliptical orbit, coming closer to Sagittarius A star than any other star. At its closest, S2 was moving at over 7,600 kilometers per second, fast enough to circle the Earth in less than a minute. There was no visible object at the center. No cluster of stars could be packed that tightly without tearing itself apart. The only explanation left? A supermassive black hole over 4 million times the mass of our sun, squeezed into a space smaller than our solar system. Decades of painstaking measurements paid off. In 2020, Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for proving, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that our galaxy is ruled by a colossal supermassive black hole. So Sagittarius A star has been controlling our galaxy for 9 billion years. But in 2025, scientists discovered it's doing something they never predicted, something that could rewrite black hole physics entirely. That's the next episode of Black Hole Chronicles. Subscribe now because this discovery is going to blow your mind. See you at the edge of the event horizon.